AI voice agents in Australia typically resell Twilio. While it's a great platform, it also means complex onboarding, offshore data, and hefty monthly fees. Because we own all our software and infrastructure, there's no third-party licensing costs passed on to our customers. Our agents are just features included in your plan. No setup, no monthly fees, and your data stays in Australia. If you can set up a voicemail, you can deploy an agent. To create an agent, you'll need an account with us. Jump onto our website, choose a plan from the pricing menu. The Cloud Connect and above have the right to create unlimited agents, and they're free for the next 3 months. After that, there's still no setup or monthly fees, just a small per-minute rate once your agents are up and taking calls. You'll find the agents under the Tools menu. Hit Create Agent to open the template library. Pick one close to your business. These are starting points that you'll customize. Try not to overthink them. You can always adjust later. Let's follow this simple example through with a car service and mechanics booking template. Look for the square brackets. That's where you set your company name. Define the qualifying questions, makes and models. Maybe ask for year with a plain English rule that politely advises the car's too old. On the right, customize the greeting. Adjust the voice and speed until it feels right. Hit Preview to test. Keep tweaking until you're confident she's ready for calls. This and the knowledge base are fun. Congratulations, you're now programming your own AI. As the developers, we still get a kick out of how smart the voice and transfers are. In this example, a Chinese electronics importer has his general calls answered in English, but when overseas suppliers call in, the agents can easily be modified to transfer to a Mandarin-speaking agent. While the agents are bilingual, the greeting works best in the agent's native language. So for our Mandarin agent, I've written the greeting in Mandarin, in this case introducing Ray's Computing. To follow the logic, this means 2 agents, the first in English and the second in Mandarin. A quick note on voices. We're adding new options regularly. Australian accents are coming in the next release, followed by voice cloning so your agent will eventually sound like you. Agents can hand off calls intelligently. It's like a smart call forward. Use the transfer feature to transfer to another agent, a number on your phone system, or any external number. The same flows work from web chat. Not the agents are just about phone calls. At Zip City, we use our own agents to take the first calls, and then transfer to our sales or support agents, and only then to our call queues for human contact. Even if only half the calls are fully resolved by the agent, it's a big win for all. Faster service for customers. Lighter load on support. The knowledge base. Think of instructions as your agent's personality. The knowledge base, however, is where you add the specific detail the agent draws from. Maybe a restaurant menu, a pricing doc, or healthcare policy. The knowledge bases are super smart, but experiment with small docs first, building up as you get the handle on them. A few tips: avoid tables, long bullet lists, and special characters. Plain sentences work best. If you need help reformatting, use your favorite AI for guidance and clean it up. Upload a PDF and you're done. We handle the conversion behind the scenes. For appointment booking, we've gone with Cal.com, a platform trusted by companies like Zapier and Cal.com's own enterprise clients. Their free tier works for most businesses. Create an account, connect with a secure API token, and you're done in a few minutes. We've provided a separate video to help configure into this agent. Once linked, your agent can check availability and book appointments directly during the call. Cal.com syncs with Microsoft 365 and Google Calendar, so bookings appear wherever you already manage your schedule. To confirm the booking, use our SMS gateway to send the confirmations. We're adding integrations regularly: payments, workflow automation, webhooks for call data, sentiment, and transcriptions. We use these agents in our own business every day. They're making a real difference for us, and we're confident they'll do the same for yours.